Mean shift is a method that's easiest to introduce when we do segmentation. The idea is, in mean shift, is to find the modes of a distribution or of a probability density. So remember, the modes are sort of the peaked areas. And here's the basic underlying assumption. The assumption is I've got a bunch of samples that have been drawn from some probability distribution function, and you want to find the modes. So there's this beautiful, couple of beautiful examples out there on the web. Feel free to steal whichever one you want. I stole this one. So here we have a set of particles, and they're just drawn from some density. And probably if I were to ask you where is the mode, you'd probably say that it's somewhere around here. Okay? And the goal is for the system to find that on its own. So here we have, again, we have our sample. So let's put down a region, okay? It's called a region of interest. Now, we're not going to talk about the size of that region just yet, or its shape. We'll talk about that a little bit later. It's going to be a Gaussian. But for now, it's just going to be a circle. So we have this region, and we calculate, okay, of all of the points in that circle, where is the mean, or the center of mass? And we say, oh, it's not right in the middle, and that difference between them, that's called the mean shift vector. So this is called the mean shift algorithm. Amazing, huh? And so what do you do with the mean shift vector? Well, you shift the mean, and there it goes. Da-da-da-da-da. Perfect. Okay? What do? We do it again. Okay? Here's where we are. Here's the weighted mean of the new samples. There's our mean shift vector. What do? We shift it again. Ta-da! And we do it one more time. There it is. Oh, we're getting close now. Small mean shift vector, shift, and then finally, guess what? We are in the right spot.